Are you ready to level up your home or office network? Let's talk about Keystone Jacks, the small but mighty hero of modern connectivity. Keystone Jacks are essential for organizing and securing your network connections. Ethernet cables and patch panels are the backbone of structured wiring. Newyork Cable's punch-down Keystone Jack is an unshielded Keystone Jack used to install in wall plates and patch panels to manage bulk Ethernet cables. It has two sets of wiring standards, T568A and T568B, according to your choice. This unshielded Cat6a Keystone can bear 10 Gbps speed as of Cat6a Ethernet Cable. So how to terminate Cat6a unshielded Keystone Jack? To terminate an Ethernet cable with a Keystone Jack, you need some tools and accessories like an Ethernet cable, Keystone Jacks, crimping tool, and Ethernet cable cutter. You might find it separate, or with the crimping tool and the punch-down tool to cut the extra wires and punch-down stand. Steps to terminate unshielded Cat6a Keystone Jack. The first step is to cut open the Ethernet cable approximately 1 inch. The second step involves untwisting the conductors and making them straight. This is a before and after look, cutting the Ethernet cable. Now, according to wiring standards, T568A and T568B connect the Ethernet cable. Apply general pressure and cut the remaining wires using punch-down tool. Here is a glance at Keystone Jack after terminating. This is the wrong way to terminate Keystone Jack with loose ends. Rest, you can use these Keystone Jacks with patch panels to manage bulk cables and with wall face plates to provide connection in your room or meeting rooms. For Ethernet cable guides and tech solutions, you need to like our channel, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Newyork Cables, where performance matters.